and welcome. John Kroner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Wednesday, March the 20th, 2019. Well, let's take a look and see how these markets ended up today. And if we take a look at the spiders, you can see we have a down day here. It was kind of a little bit of a wild ride. We started by pulling back, and then the Fed announcement came up, and markets went screaming higher. And then I'm not sure what happened, but they come screaming back down and ended up closing. We are down here, right below, an area that most people felt was real important right here, about this, 281.16 or so, somewhere right in there. So, that's not a good sign that we've given that back. But on the other hand, we are kind of building some sideways consolidation. So let's see what happens over the next day or two and go from there. The diamonds, pretty much the same story. We've got that red candle here. We pulled back. We had the increase, right at 2 o'clock there, and then it pulled back again. Ended up way down for the day. So, no major harm done, but we just don't like the fact that we are hitting on this resistance up here and reversing. We have a lower high now, so that's not good. I will point out that our volume is above average here, 1.36, 1.39, 1.88. You can see it here on the volume bar as well. So the diamonds have pulled back some, and now we're taking a look at the Qs, and we do have a green candle here. So we had a bit of a mixed close today. So the Qs kind of held kind of steady and then went screaming up after that announcement and gave some of it back, but not all of it. You see here in the post market, it did come back here to retest out, and it's back up. So, as always, it's going to be interesting as we go forward from here. Now, with that, let's go ahead and jump into Holly and see how Holly did today. Holly Grill had 7 total trades for a loss of 59 cents. Risk on loss of 32 cents. Her best trade was UVE, a short trade, downward dog, and you can see she got into it here. She got out for a timed exit, 14 cents profit, and had you stayed in until the end of the day, you had 62 cents profit. And so a very, very nice trade from Holly there, and that was the best trade in both categories. Holly 2.0 had 5 total trades for a profit of $1.40, risk on profit $2.71. Now, I will point out that Holly Grill only had 1 short and 2 longs to choose from. Here we had 3 shorts and 4 longs, and you can see she was going to the short side predominantly. 4 out of 5 were short trades. Her best trade was CMA, which was a profit of 53 cents on a timed exit. But had you stayed in until the end of the day, you would have made $2.58. So that was a very, very nice trade, and that was the best in both categories as well. Let's go ahead and move our charts up and see how Holly Neo did for today. And we can see we had 6 trades, 76 cent profit, and we had a risk on loss of 7 cents. So what went into that trade? Let's take a look here. BXC was a long trade, and you can see here, she only had longs to choose from. She didn't even have any short ones in the hopper today, so that kind of tied her hands a little bit. But BXC, she made 49 cents on a float on, and you can see that was a volatile stock throughout the day, but she got out on a timed exit, made 49 cents. Had you held it till the end of the day, just 36 cents. But the best risk-on trade was SNCR, and she got out for reduced risk, just 2 cents of a profit for that. But on the risk on, she made 51 cents. So that is your Holly. Let's go ahead and bring in the spreadsheet here and take a look how that finished up. You can see 18 trades, $1.57 profit, 232 was the risk on profit. We had for the week 76 total trades, 367 is your risk off or your profit, 793 is your risk on profit. And so I do want to thank you for watching, and if you stay on for just a second, on the upper left side of your screen you're going to see the subscribe button for the YouTube videos here. You can just click on that, go ahead and get subscribed, hit the alarm, you'll never miss one. And then on the right side you're going to have a little pop-up. It's going to be, if you want to click that, it'll take you to a video that's going to tell you about some free stuff that you can take advantage of. We have a free ebook, we have a free trading room, we have free training, so we have all kind of free stuff that you can take advantage of. And once again, thank you and God bless.